Hey there, I'm Andrew, your Faith Made guide, and in this tutorial, we are going to look at updating your church information on your new Faith Made website. Let's get started. If you scroll down to the bottom of this dashboard area, here's some of the things we're going to be updating: your logo and site information, your location information, service and contact info, and your social media links. You can click on any one of those to go directly to the panel, but we're going to click on Customize, and it's going to bring us to our front end customizer area. And we're going to be updating information in the church info tab right here. So let's start with logos. As you can see, these logos correspond to the ones on your website, and you can change the logo simply by doing that. Your first time in here, you'll want to select files from your computer to upload, and we recommend a logo size around 180 by 48 pixels. You can vary from that, but we want to make sure that it looks good on your website. And so those are some of the dimensions that we recommend. You don't have to abide by those rules though. The light logo is the one that you see here in the footer. And this is used on areas of the website, such as the footer, where there's a dark background and you want your white logo or a gray scale version of your logo to really pop. And if you don't have one of those, you should just be able to click remove, and that should go away. I'm going to go ahead and add it back though. And your site title is going to be the name of your church, more than likely. And what I like to do here for my tagline for FaithMate, it's move-in ready websites for churches. For you, maybe it's Zoe Church in your city, state. So for me, it would be Zoe Church in Powder Springs, Georgia. And below that, you have the site icon, the little icon that shows in your browser window right here. Let's go back to the location. The location here, you would just add your church name, address, city, state, and zip code. And these update everywhere throughout the website that you see them. And then the Google Maps link, of course, if someone is on the visit page or any other page that has any kind of directions, they would click get directions, and it would just open up that Google Maps link in Google Maps. Next, we have our service times and info. This lets you quickly update the service times and church email info, office number that you have throughout the website. These are generally in a few areas, like a contact page or the footer area again here. And then the service times are all throughout a lot of different sites. We want people to always be able to see them quickly. And if you type something in, type in a new service time, it should update those automatically. Same for the students. So I find that most students, of course, have a different meeting time. Usually, the typical Wednesday at 6 p.m. in whatever. So this is just Wednesday at 6 p.m. in the Student Center. You see it's right here. And if we want to change that to anything else, it shows up automatically here. Same for your church email and your office number. If I change this to hello@faithmade.com, I could type it. It changes my contact email and changes the link so that when someone clicks it, it now emails it to me. Same for the number. You can change the number here, and it updates automatically all throughout your website. And it also changes the link so that if someone clicks it on their phone, it calls it directly. Lastly, we have our social media. One of the places that this is seen prominently is on the Visit Us page to let people find you online first. And as you can see, we have 4 right here. There's 4 here, but if we take one away, anywhere that we have social media links, it now takes away that YouTube link, and maybe we're Vimeo instead, and so we add a Vimeo link in its place. And that's how you quickly update the church info for your Faith Made website.